Oh, hey everybody, how you doing? Paul here with you. We are going to do a review of this instant coffee, and it's kind of a heads up. It's called Mountain Grown. This is the one that's over at Dollar Tree, and it says Mountain High Premium Coffee, and I noticed it's in these sachets. They're good for 6 ounces each. Oh, man, it's like a comedy of errors here. We're going to have one of these. I got these little Debbies, these are cheap, because fucking the Devil Dogs are like $4.59. They're so expensive. These are like $1.25, I think. And you get 6 or 7 of these things or whatever the hell it is. Anyways, what we're going to do, I've got hot water here. I've got the half and half. And okay, so we got it here. Let's go ahead and put this in. This is grown in Vietnam. It can't be any worse than Folgers because the ones that are Folgers are 6 of them or 7 sachets, and they're like $1.50 or something, right? So these are pretty cheap. You get 8 of them. You get 8, I guess. Yes, it's 8 for $1.25. That isn't bad, folks. As it goes, it's not bad. The smell, I smell it already. Smells like coffee. I don't know how many of you are savvy, but do you know that Vietnam is the 3rd or 4th largest coffee producer in the world right now as it stands? I don't know how that got to be, but I saw that a couple of years ago, and they may have moved up now to the 3rd. Biggest producer. I don't know, but I know it was 4th. But now I guess it's even more. So let's see how this Thailand coffee is. We have to put 2 in here. Boy, it looks very powdery and very dark. I will say that. So let's put 2. That's barely 12 ounces. So that's just what they're recommending. 6 per. And then what I'll do is I'll leave a little bit there at the bottom. Oh, now I got to figure out where my spoon is. I think my spoon is here. It is. Forgot to bring spoons in today, so I'll have to clean this one off good. Yeah, because I don't want macaroni salad in my coffee, thank you. But let's see if we can work with this, because Folgers is really bad coffee. I mean, I'm sorry, I know probably a lot of you like it, but Folgers to me is virtually why bother coffee? Why bother? What is the point? Let's see how this is, and it's a really good deal. I bought 6 of these packets, so there's 8 per. So I got 48 pieces. Oh, I think this might be too strong. Maybe that's not enough water. That's about 12 ounces though, but I think this is going to be a little rich. I'll try to taste a little bit before I put the cream in. Okay, it tastes like coffee. It tastes like it's about right there too. So let's go ahead and do that right there. And that's about right there. That's about right. I like a lot of cream in my coffee, but I don't put sugar. And let's see. It's not bad. Really, it's not bad. It doesn't have the bitterness of the Mexican coffee. So let's go ahead and have one of these with it. And let's see if we can make it together here with this. It's about right. I may not have put in enough milk. Maybe I'll put in just a little jig more milk. Okay, that's it right there. Let's try it like that. And that's pretty rich with milk. But then this is half and half, not milk. It's half and half. It's a little thicker. Yeah, it's pretty good. There's the bitterness is absent from this coffee, whereas Folgers, you get that bitterness. I mean, some Americans like it. They like it like that. They like it to where it's real bitter. Some Americans like that. Well, the coffee's excellent. Really, it's excellent. Let me take this off this end. Mm. Mm. Very sweet. And let's see how this coffee reacts with it. Answer, very well. Um, what's my rating for the coffee? Oh, shit, man. Oh, well, I spilled it. I'm going to say a 9 out of 10. I mean, it's really that good. No bitterness. I'm going to go even a little higher. I'm going to go 9.5. This is very good. Remember, I don't have any sugar in here. Only sugar I'm getting is this. And it is yummy. Let's put it on here. Mm. Mm. These two can live together, for sure. And it's very nice. This coffee doesn't fall apart. It doesn't fall apart. It holds its flavor. Folks, it's going to be pretty close to a 10 out of 10 with this because these are a lot less. If you go to Walmart, I think they have 7 sticks for $1.50 or $1.69 or something like that. But Publix, I think it's like $1.50 and you get like 6 of them. These are cheaper. And I would take this over Folgers every single time. Not even a horse race. It is very good. So these little sticks are delicious and worth to go out and get it. And it's good for me because I can't keep, jars of coffee and this and that and perfume. I can't keep everything in my car. I just don't have room for it. So these are going to fulfill their objective because they don't take up any room at all, like jars of coffee do. Anyways, take care, folks. And I will be on before I go to sleep. Bye.